Hey everybody, your Harley Parts Guy here. We have a used takeoff Harley-Davidson OEM white gold and pewter pearl two-tone FLHTCU fuel tank. So this is a fuel tank off of an ultra classic that was painted in white gold and pewter pearl from the factory. As you can see, there's no dents, there's no scratches, there's nothing. It is absolutely in pristine condition. The only thing you got is a little bit of the lines where the tank bezel goes, which is absolutely normal. I have a part number of 61356-09CPY. That is the color code itself. Fitment of 08 through 22 FLHT touring models and your street glide models. I'm asking $450 for this plus shipping or best offer. So if you're interested, feel free to shoot me a DM. Otherwise, make sure you check out my profile for a link to my eBay store for more Harley related items.